Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to our channel. Ladies, today we are here with an amazing video of Pixie Haircut, its fashion and trends these days. If you are looking for a pixie haircut, then you are in the best video. These are the pixie haircut for you ladies. As you know that pixie is a short haircut and provide a bold statement. You can see ladies, this is the pixie which is beauty. Pixie which is classical. This one is a classical pixie. In the classical pixie, it is usually very short hair, and if you want a layered pixie, you can go for this one. Ladies, don't forget to highlight your hair. Don't forget to color your hair by giving a playful and joyful look to your pixie. This is a pixie which is a very short and textured pixie is here, which cuts continued in the wig. Ladies, you can also have popular trends like this one. This is a pixie which is retro inspired, having comebacks in recent year. The pixie cut is no expansion from the 1960s and 1970s, features short cropped hair with subtle layer and textured. Ladies, this is a side swept pixie which having shorter hair on the top while longer on the side, providing softer look. This is a pixie which is classic and which is throughout shorter. You can see how beautiful these pixies are looking. Bob pixie is also a trend. If you want a slightly longer hair, then go for a pixie bob, as it is a very trendy hairstyle throughout the decades. Ladies, if you want to look younger and you are in 30s, 40s, and 50s, then don't forget to have a pixie haircut, as it provides a younger look and a beauty inspired standard for you. Pixie provide your features a bold statement. It makes your feature more prominent and making your neckline or features more prominent. Ladies, you can have a hustle-free life with a pixie haircut. You just need minimum hair products and minimum time for your hairstyling before going for a party, for marriages, or office wear. Accessories such as handbands, hair clips, scarves allows to accessorize your pixie haircut and providing you a gorgeous look. How amazing this pixie bang is looking. It is owned by many actresses and many fashion icons. It provides a bold statement to them. Since then, it has become a fashion among them. Ladies,